Okay, so we're talking financial options, right? So you might be thinking, okay, I love what I'm hearing, but I don't know how to get started, right? How am I, Ali talked about how much it is. Okay, so this is what we offer as Colaberry. Number one, we offer free financial counseling, literally just about Monday through Friday, right? And via email, of course, you can reach us at any time. Free financial counseling, and we do have career advisors who are here for you. We have flexible payment plans, right? So the program, the DA program is $19.99. You can you can either pay the whole amount up front, or you can pay half up front and then the other half 30 days after the class. So your class starts on the 29th. So 30 days. So that will be about November 29th, November 30th. You make the other half. The only difference is that there is a non-refundable admin fee of $51. So it ends up being about $2,051. All right, we do accept major credit cards. And you see this bird right here, early bird special. Listen, you already know you want to stay ahead. Your friends already told you, you've heard from everyone, stay ahead, stay ahead. And so this is one way we give back, is by allowing you to do exactly that and help you keep some money in your pocket. You know, the holidays are coming around, put some money in your pocket, save it for another time, right? So the early bird special is where you save $199 for paying early, and you start your course quickly. Please, you got to do that. So you can, I went through the program in 2012. I'm telling you, you need to stay ahead. This is not a myth. I'm telling you the truth. Okay, for veterans, if you're like George and you're serving our country, or you're a spouse of an active duty military member, your spouse of an active duty military member, call us. Your deadline is next Wednesday. So I'm going to show you this. Introducing, this is brand new, guys. This is brand new. We've worked so hard to get here. It's been years, and we're so excited to have the support of an amazing organization called Meritize. I can't tell you how many times we've gotten students who said, I want to join this program. I don't have the money. I can't qualify for any of the scholarships, like military scholarships. How do I get a student loan? And we are finally able to say, yes, you can. So Meritize is very focused on only providing student scholarships. And what they say is they want to help students pay for programs that unlock better careers. They only work with students who are focused on getting a new career. So they look beyond your FICO score, right? Your credit score, right? They look beyond your FICO score and use your previous academic or military achievements to help you get approved. So you want to know more about that? Please call us. Next, here, there's some benefits. You can take a screenshot of this. We're going to be sending more information out to you guys before the class begins. If you want to apply for it, it just takes about an hour to get approved. And this is actually very important to know. You've heard about the interview preparation bootcamp and the data analytics program. So you're going to start the data analytics program on Saturday, October the 29th. Then after you finish you graduate successfully from the program, you heard Ali talking about the interview preparation bootcamp. Well, this specific loan allows you to borrow for both programs. A lot of people have been asking about this, and I'm so excited to share this news to you. So take a screenshot of these benefits. And of course, they're going to handhold you. They will help you. And we as Colaberry are there to support you through the process. But Meritize is who you will be dealing with. And they have been so amazing, and they're known all over the country. All right. Now, finally, you might be saying, oh my gosh, a loan's not for me. I'm struggling right now. You might be getting unemployment. You are between the ages of 18 and 24, or out of school and you must be out of school, not attending any school right now. You're a U.S. citizen and you have a high school diploma and you are unemployed, and there are other requirements. There is something that is called their training grants that are brought to you by WIOA. That's Workforce Innovation Opportunity Act. This is actually by the Department of Labor. We're not playing here. These guys want you working. They want the Texas Workforce Commission, the Workforce Innovation Opportunity Act. They want you to be employed and they want to see good things happen for you. And so they're offering scholarships. Please call us if you have these, if you meet this criteria, 18 to 24 years of age, you can't be in college right now and or attending another school, you're U.S. citizen, permanent resident, or legally resident authorized to work in the U.S., have a high school diploma. They will take you through the process and go through the details. This is the very high level, and they've been amazing. You do need about 2 weeks. So if you are interested in this, please contact ASAP because they do need about 2 weeks. Some of them need a little bit over 2 weeks. And you do need to be from Texas for now. That's who they're accepting at this time. All right, now as I close, and I'm going to ask you just for a few extra minutes here so I can make sure that I give you all this information. You heard about the Colaberry chat. You heard about the homework help sessions. You heard about the video feedback system that you saw Tariq using there to practice. We have all sorts of opportunities and tools to help you success. And we have, if you have an employer who wants to pay for you, we will give the employer a discount, and so many other options that you've already heard about. And finally, we don't want to take for granted that you may be hearing all this and saying, but I'm a refugee. Things are really bad right now. Please call us because we have limited refugee scholarships and we want to be of help to you. All right, any questions for us? We're here for you. Please take a screenshot of this, email us at support@colaberry.com. or call us at 972-992-1024. We are available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time.